Hey guys, what's going on? This is Raymond. Hey, welcome back to my channel, Crypto Success Strategies. Hey, I just put a video out not long ago, but I'm putting this next one out here because I went back to the Splash network page and I see that they've made some changes to their UI. It looks pretty cool. Today is March 24th, about 6 p.m. Central Time, and this is when I'm seeing it now. They show a 24-hour launch event that's going on where it's no fees on buys, no fees on deposits, plus no fees on compounds. That's pretty exciting. If you haven't had a chance to go over there and take a look, please do. It looks really nice. They've updated some stuff on on all of their pages actually. You can see here the look is different here for the players and the daily returns and max supplies. The chart has been updated here. You can see when I put this video out earlier today, we're around $39 and now it's up to $49. So it's definitely moving in the right direction. A nice little spike. I'm not sure if it's because of the change in the UI, but whatever it is, it's looking really good. They have some links to their Twitter and Discord and Telegram sites as well. And I'll scroll back up here to the top. The whale, you can take a look at it. It looks different. It shows you what the current splash price is, 48.933. Their balance is a little over $3 million. And for the AVAX and their splash balance is about 63,000. You can still hear it same as before. You can buy your tokens and convert those over to the splash. So it's looking pretty cool. Over here, little graphics there as well. You can go here to the tap. Looks completely different than it did before when it was looking similar to the drip network. Looks like now they've developed their own style, their own image, and it's just something I wanted to show you guys. But you can see the available, rewarded, the deposits, max payout, claims, and teams. You can manage your accounts with your tokens and looking at your team updates for airdrops and such. It has a nice little layout about check who splashed as far as your teams and airdrops are concerned. There's some team tools and there's more information about it. So it's just a whole different look is what they've done here. I guess it's kind of to separate themselves or differentiate themselves from the drip network. The splash pad is coming soon. I have to read about that in their white paper and see what that's all about. But so far so good, man. It's looking really nice over here. I think this is the biggest thing that caught my attention. No fees on buys or deposits or compounds for the next 24 hours. Again, today is March 24th. So if you're watching this video, I would jump on over there and take a look. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to send that out to you guys so you can take a look and see what's happening over here on the Splash Network. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you're looking for a team to join, my referral link will be in the description below. All right, you guys, have a great day.